بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
Ha-Meem.
Ha-Meem.
تنزيل من الرحمن الرحيم.
This is a revelation from the most merciful, the most compassionate.
كتاب فصلت آياته قرآنا عربيا لقوم يعلمون.
A book whose verses have been well expounded, an Arabic Quran for those who have knowledge.
بشيرا ونذيرا فأعرض أكثرهم فهم لا يسمعون.
One bearing good news and warning, yet most of them turned away and are not wont to give heed.
وقالوا قلوبنا في أكنة مما تدعونا إليه وفي آذاننا وقر ومن بيننا وبينك حجاب فاعمل إننا عاملون.
They say, our hearts are securely wrapped up against what you call us to, and in our ears is a heaviness, and between you and us there's a veil. So act, we too are acting.
قل إنما أنا بشر مثلكم يوحى إلي أنما إلهكم إله واحد فاستقيموا إليه واستغفروه وويل للمشركين.
Tell them, O Prophet, I am only a human being like you. It is revealed to me that your God is one God. So direct yourselves straight to Him and seek His forgiveness. Woe to those who associate others with Allah in His divinity.
الذين لا يؤتون الزكاة وهم بالآخرة هم كافرون.
Who do not pay zakah and who deny the hereafter.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر غير ممنون.
As to those who have faith and do good works, surely theirs shall be a never-ending reward.
قل أئنكم لتكفرون بالذي خلق الأرض في يومين وتجعلون له أندادا ذلك رب العالمين.
Tell them, O Prophet, do you indeed disbelieve in Him and assign compeers to Him who created the earth in 2 days? He is the Lord of all beings of the universe.
وجعل فيها رواسي من فوقها وبارك فيها وقدر فيها أقواتها في 4 أيام سواء للسائلين.
After creating the earth, He set up firm mountains on it, blessed it, and provided it with sustenance in proportion to the needs of all who seek sustenance. All this was done in 4 days.
ثم استوى إلى السماء وهي دخان فقال لها وللأرض ائتيا طوعا
returned to the heaven while it was all smoke. He said to the heaven and the earth, "Come into being, willingly or unwillingly." They said, "Here we come into being in willing obeisance."
فقضاهن 7 سماوات في يومين وأوحى في كل سماء أمرها وزينا السماء الدنيا بمصابيح وحفظا ذلك تقدير العزيز العليم.
Then he made them 7 heavens in 2 days and revealed to each heaven its law. And we adorned the lower heaven with lamps and firmly secured it. All this is the firm plan of the Almighty, the All-Knowing.
فإن أعرضوا فقل أنذرتكم صاعقة مثل صاعقة عاد وثمود.
But if they turn away, tell them, I warn you against a sudden scourge like that which struck Ad and Thamud.
إذ جاءتهم الرسل من بين أيديهم ومن خلفهم ألا تعبدوا إلا الله قالوا لو شاء ربنا لأنزل ملائكة فإنا بما أرسلتم به كافرون.
When the messengers of Allah came to them from the front and from the rear, saying, "Do not serve any but Allah," they said, "Had our Lord so willed, He would have sent down angels. So we deny the message you have brought."
فأما عاد فاستكبروا في الأرض بغير الحق وقالوا من أشد منا قوة أولم يروا أن الله الذي خلقهم هو أشد منه قوة وكانوا بآياتنا يجحدون.
As for Ad, they waxed proud in the land without justification and said, "Who is greater than we in strength?" Did they not see that Allah who created them is greater in strength than they? They continued to deny our signs.
فأرسلنا عليهم ريحا صرصرا في أيام نحسات لنذيقهم عذاب الخزي في الحياة الدنيا ولعذاب الآخرة أخزى وهم لا ينصرون.
Whereupon we sent upon them a fierce wind on inauspicious days, that we might make them taste a degrading chastisement in the life of this world. And surely the chastisement of the hereafter is even more degrading. There will be none to help them there.
وأما ثمود فهديناهم فاستحبوا العمى على الهدى فأخذتهم صاعقة العذاب الهون بما كانوا يكسبون.
As for Thamud, we bestowed guidance upon them, but they preferred to remain blind rather than be guided. At last, a humiliating scourge overtook them on account of their misdeeds.
ونجينا الذين آمنوا وكانوا يتقون.
Yet we delivered those who believed and were God-fearing.
ويوم يحشر أعداء الله إلى النار فهم يوزعون.
Imagine the day when Allah's enemies will be mustered to the fire, and the people of the former times will be detained until the arrival of people of the later times.
حتى إذا ما جاءوها شهد عليهم سمعهم وأبصارهم وجلودهم بما كانوا يعملون.
And when all have arrived, their ears, their eyes, and their skins shall bear witness against them, stating all that they had done in the life of the world.
وقالوا لجلودهم لم شهدتم علينا قالوا أنطقنا الله الذي أنطق كل شيء وهو خلقكم أول مرة وإليه ترجعون.
They will ask their skins, "Why did you bear witness against us?" The skins will reply, "Allah gave us speech as He gave speech to all others. He it is who created you for the first time, and it is to Him that you will be sent back."
وما كنتم تستترون أن يشهد عليكم سمعكم ولا أبصاركم ولا جلودكم ولكن ظننتم أن الله لا يعلم كثيرا مما تعملون.
When you used to conceal yourselves while committing misdeeds, you never thought that your ears, or your eyes, or your skins would ever bear witness against you. You rather fancied that Allah does not know a great deal of what you do.
وذلكم ظنكم الذي ظننتم بربكم أرداكم فأصبحتم من الخاسرين.
This thought of yours about your Lord has led to your perdition, and you have become among the losers.
فإن يصبروا فالنار مثوى لهم وإن يستعتبوا فما هم من المعتبين.
In this state, whether they bear with patience or not, fire alone shall be their abode, and if they seek to make amends, they will not be allowed to do so.
وقيضنا لهم قرناء فزينوا لهم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم وحق عليهم القول في قد خلت من قبلهم من الجن والإنس إنهم كانوا خاسرين.
We had assigned to them companions who embellished for them all that was before them and behind them. Thus the same decree of chastisement which had overtaken the previous generations of jinn and human beings also became due against them. Surely they became the losers.
وقال الذين كفروا لا تسمعوا لهذا القرآن والغوا فيه لعلكم تغلبون.
The deniers of the truth say, "Do not give ear to the Quran and cause interruption when it is recited. Thus perhaps you will gain the upper hand."
فلنذيقن الذين كفروا عذابا شديدا ولنجزينهم أسوأ الذي كانوا يعملون.
We shall certainly make these unbelievers taste a terrible chastisement and shall fully requite them according to the worst deeds that they committed.